Look how miserable this weather is. Sucks. Because I'm going to be dyeing my hair today, cutting my hair and giving myself cutting bangs. If you hear Ed speaking in the background, that is because he is singing to himself with his headphones in, and he is very loud, which is kind of cute, but it's also kind of annoying when you're trying to vlog. What a view. So I haven't had my hair dyed properly by a hairdresser in over a year now, and you can see this underneath, but it's pretty much all black. Like, I've literally only got the tiniest little bit of like blonde and pale brown in my hair, which I miss. However, I'm not going to do the underneath bit because I want to keep that bit healthy, and to be honest, you can't really see it. So I think I'm going to just do the T section of my hair, and I'm just going to do like around my face down here, because I haven't dyed around my face, like all of that is black. So I think I'm going to do this bit and then go up a little bit halfway over my head. So like just pretty much just this section, and this section will just have to stay dark for now. And at the moment, I don't know why, I think it's lack of vitamin D and I think it's being inside, but my hair keeps falling out quite a lot. And I take like my tablets, I take my vitamins. I recently, like a month ago, started taking the Vitabiotics hair chewy gum things, and I take my Vitabiotics vitamin D tablets every day. Basically, when you get hair loss, the stress or whatever caused your hair to fall out actually happened like 3 to 6 months ago, and when it starts falling out is, yeah, from the damage 3 to 6 months before. So I was severely anemic the whole of last year, and I think I was so, like, my anemia was so low around September, August time, so it does make sense. So I've just kind of like gone out of sync, I guess, with my hair cycle. So it's all about giving myself nutrients, taking care of it, and it will go back. It will go back fine. So I just want to chop it and just keep it healthy. So see, but I bought the Be Blonde Jerome Russell highlighting kit. I've used these kits for years when I like dyed my mum's hair and sister's hair and stuff. I don't use that brush, I've got my own. And this is the peroxide that I'm going to mix it in. So it comes with the powder and the peroxide. So I'm just going to mix that up and wear some gloves. So have you ever seen a comb like this before? So it has like these bristles that will actually, like, so some of your hair gets caught in these shorter bristles, but then some of your hair gets pulled in all the way through here. You're going to take the hair section that gets caught up in the smaller bristles, and you're going to dye that. This basically weaves your hair without having to weave your hair. Foil from Amazon. I bought all these things from Amazon pretty much. I'll link everything in the description box below. So yeah, so let's get on. I'll say a little bit for me. Always awkward. Right, okay. So how I do my front bit is I brush this front bit back and I section it off, like going straight back. This is how a hairdresser normally would do it in a salon. I might tie this back, but the section will look a bit like this, and I'll do little bits then going back. Come on, Amy. You're a pro. Cool. And then I'll clip this bit back. Right, and then make sure it's all spread out evenly. And then you go underneath with the comb and I wiggle it and make sure everything, I don't know if you can see that. You see it's in 2 sections. Then I just grab the top section out and then I dye that. I wrap it, the foil around my comb. And then I just do this. And I paint on the bleach and pray. And that's really all I can do. And when I put it on, I like brush it on a little bit further down than where I actually want it to go. God, this is so difficult. Someone help me. So yeah, and then I brush at the top just like a little bit, so it's higher, but not like a straight line, because I don't want it to be a straight line. Okay, and then I fold it. And then I'll fold it again. Okay, it's one foil down, billion to go. And then I just, yeah, carry on doing it. Definitely not as neat as a hairdresser, that is for sure. I look nuts. I look absolutely, I look bonkers. Do you know what? I will be back in probably 30 minutes once I've rinsed it off, ready for the toner. I need to double check and read how I do the toner. So I'm going to cut some bangs in, and I might have to tone it again because it is slightly yellow. So I just sectioned bits from here down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the razor to cut into my front bits. I'm just going to use that and do it into the side. So I'm using that as a guide, and I'm just going to go into the side bits. Doesn't look too bad, does it?
No.
Oh dear, does that actually?
No, I actually don't think it looks too bad at all. I can't actually really see because I haven't got my glasses on, but from here it looks good.
It's fine. I can just wear it up like that, otherwise. Morning everybody. So I've just had a shower and I toned my hair beforehand. If you're interested in the toner that I used the 8A toner. Can you please focus? This is from the Colour Sync Matrix toner, and I just got the what's it called? The peroxide to go with it. So let's hope for the best, because last night I was looking a little yellow and I knew I needed to do a toner. I did the Bleach London one, but for whatever reason it didn't really pick it up. Don't know if I left it on long enough, because I only left it on for 10 minutes, and it does say you can leave it on 5 to 25. So yeah, maybe 10 minutes wasn't long enough. So I'm going to rinse it off, style my hair, and let's see what it looks like. Hello everybody. So I just thought I would come on after styling my hair to show you the finished result, and I actually love it. It's like this caramelly warm blonde, and I'm actually obsessed with it. I think it's really nice. There is a tiny little bit of kind of brassiness on the root, but I feel like I can add another toner to that and that will get rid of it. But I'm really liking my curtain bangs, and yeah, I just think this style suits me. Sorry, I haven't brushed it out of the curls yet. Let me go brush it for you. Oh wait, the brush is in with Ed and he's on a meeting. Right, okay, I'm just gonna have to use my hands to brush it because Ed's on a meeting. I honestly love it. I think it's great, and I feel like I could go shorter with bangs if I wanted to, but I feel like let's gradually get used to it. I would love for someone to tell me with my face shape what bangs would suit me better, because I'm not sure. Like short, longer, mid, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys have found this video helpful, useful in lockdown. Obviously, like, I don't want to promote bleaching your hair at home because I don't want anyone to damage their own hair. But if you are going to, because if you're like me, I don't want to wait. If you are going to do it, at least you can kind of like follow this so you're not having like hair disasters. Like, don't leave your bleach on too long. I left mine on for 30 minutes, and don't forget that the bleach will only lighten it. It won't colour it. Like, you need a toner to make it a nice beautiful colour. So yeah, don't keep bleaching your hair over and over again. You only need to lift your hair and then tone it to make it the colour. So yeah, I just don't want anyone thinking that it's good to just go and bleach your hair and then all your hair falls off and then I get blamed. I do hope you find this helpful. I'll leave everything in the description box below that I used, all the branding and the Amazon bits that I got. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Sorry I'm talking quietly. Ed's just next door and I'm very conscious that he is on a very important meeting. But please let me know if you want me to film some more like at-home things. I'm also going to, I'll show you. Like, I'm going to do some at-home DIY spray painting. So I'm going to spray paint like my ornaments to make them like less gross and more cute. So this is like a stone spray paint. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do this and film it for you guys. I kind of really enjoy watching like home stuff, so I want to kind of do a bit more whilst I'm like in lockdown and nothing's really going on. And then Ed leaves on Sunday because he has to go back because he's getting his vaccine. Yeah, it's just gonna be me from next week, so I'm sure I'll be vlogging more because I will literally have no one to talk to apart from you guys. So yeah, anyway, on that note, from me and Romeo, goodbye.